Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell how you can see hidden text on a screenshot on your Android or iPhone. Show you the best features of your phone, how it can be done. Be sure to write in the comments whether my method helped you or not. I will read and answer everyone. Be sure to watch this video to the end. Subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Let's get started. For this, we go to the gallery. And I have this screenshot of the smudged text. And as you can see, you can't see anything. Let me show and tell you how you can see it. To do this, you need to go to the Apple Store or Google Play Market and download this free application, which is called Snapseed. The link to it I will leave in the attached comment. You can go and download. Click Open when you download this application. Click Add Photo. Select our screenshot. Then click Tools. And after that, we need to adjust the color a little bit. The first setting we need to put on plus 100%. The second setting contrast we put on minus 100%. And all other settings we put somewhere on plus 100, plus 80, or plus 70. And now, as you can see, we can see what we've printed. Look, we put the last setting. And as you can see, please, there's the text and you can see it. So we can see the hidden and smudged text in the screenshot. So if I clamp, this is how it was before. And this is how it became after. How do you like this result, guys? If you liked the video, be sure to write in the comments. Be sure to put a like. Subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments what you would like the next color so I can also process on the screenshot. Perhaps it will be red, yellow, green, orange, any white can be. That is how you save the screenshot, and all you have it goes to the gallery. Now you see any hidden smudged text. Thanks for watching, everyone. Like, comment. Thank you for watching it to the end. Goodbye.